Hello everyone, so today we will check the Bevel operation, and this is very common operation, let's say. So let's try to apply the bevel on the mesh, and as you can see we have fractions. How the edge will be, let's say, cut it by 45 degrees probably by default. So looking like that on this shape, I'm not talking about any, but in general it's equalizing the length of edges and parallel segments. So let's use fraction. Yeah, as well we can increase segments, and we cannot see properly. I'll just enable the wireframe. So let's add some segments. With a depth we can invert. As you can see right now it's like bending in that direction, but we can go in the opposite direction if we would like. Yeah, awesome. So miltering and miltering along, it's complicated to explain on the cube or in this particular situation, and it's a bit hard to show, but I will try to explain it when we will start hard modeling. And in most cases we will use the auto, but you can check it. You have the options. Yeah, and the chamfer. It's really very serious tool, because when we're working in Move3, as I was talking before, and when we're working with a subdivision level, we want to have let's say only support hooks. So we don't want this cutoff or let's say bump rounded corners in here. We want only have a support lines in order to, let's say, press free on the keyboard, and under our preview we can see all smooth mesh. Yeah, but I want to have, let's say, we will off the chamfer and we will go to the subdivision in sub D mode, or press free on the keyboard, and as you can see it's looking totally different. Yeah, and we have clean lines. You don't need to go to the cut tool and try to measure it, something like that. You just can create a bevel operation, and yeah, just whoops, added additional values, so I cannot recall our interface controller. So basically we can play with simple things like that, and chamfer is, as you can see, changing the shape very much. Okay, so definitely you can go only to the one edge and press Ctrl B. It's a shortcut. Add the segment. Maybe let's play with depth and start playing with that. And sometimes when you want to select a loop, you cannot. Yeah, in such a particular area. So don't forget that you can select faces like that. Press Ctrl, right click, edges, select perimeter, and create again. Ctrl B, and voila. Awesome. So maybe we can play again with a depth, but we need segments. Yeah. In order to play with that, with a depth, I mean. And we have something like that. And if we will try to smooth it, we have something like this. Great. Definitely we need to close the edges, but it's in a different tutorial. It was a very fast, very short tutorial how to use simple Boolean operation. Cheers.